Yes, it pays to have good credit. Absolutely, no question.
Give away every secret that I can possibly give you, from very free marketing tips to more advanced steps that are more paid. It's going to be a very slow growth period for you if you're trying to grow a business with no credit.
Right.
And there is some semblance of truth that word of mouth is going to grow your business. Absolutely. Yeah, you want to do a good job. You want people to like you and like your service. But I would take it a step further. If word of mouth grows your business, why not publicize the word of mouth? Publicize the reviews people give you. Publicize, the good work you're doing, and put some content up. Social media content. Run some ads that put your best foot forward and shows exactly what you're doing for your clientele.